And breaking news coming on right now. WhatsApp has announced delaying by 3 months the implementation of a new privacy policy that has faced massive backlash, with tens of millions of its users moving from the platform to rivals like Signal and Telegram. The policy change was originally scheduled to come into effect on February 8th. That's a big breaking news that we're tracking for you right now. WhatsApp delaying its privacy change. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Shivani. Shivani, a big move by Mark Zuckerberg's company, Facebook. In fact, WhatsApp announcing delaying by 3 months the implementation of the new privacy policy, which has faced a massive backlash. What more details are you getting on this?
Exactly, this is a very big statement coming in from the WhatsApp that has announced delaying its privacy policy, the new privacy policy. Remember, this new privacy policy has a major shift from WhatsApp to other sites, and especially Signal. And we've seen that in the past few days, millions of users have shifted from WhatsApp to other messenger apps. And after this major shift by these users, the WhatsApp has now announced the delay by 3 months in the implementation of a new privacy policy. And that new privacy policy, which has faced massive backlash with tens of millions of its users moving from platforms to rivals like Signal and Telegram. Remember, this came as in when the WhatsApp had revised its privacy policy, and then it was apprehended by many users on the privacy issue, because WhatsApp, we know, is owned by Facebook, and the new privacy policy was not considered to be safe enough by the users. So multiple millions of users have immediately, in few days only, they have shifted to Signal and Telegram. So in response to this shifting of the users, now WhatsApp has been trying to convince its users that the privacy policy will be reconsidered, and it will be delayed by 3 months. So it is a big move which has come after the backlash the WhatsApp has faced from the customers, from the users.
All right, Shivani, thank you for joining us on the broadcast, giving us all those updates on that news break. WhatsApp announcing delaying by 3 months the implementation of the new privacy policy, which has raised a lot of concerns by many